Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between the rolling green hills, lived a peculiar little mouse named Marvin. Marvin was not an ordinary mouse. He had a magical gift. He could talk, and he loved cheese more than anything. One day, Marvin heard a rumor about a mysterious, magical cheese that could grant a single wish to whoever found it. Excited, he decided to embark on a journey to find this enchanted cheese. Marvin trekked through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed mountains, his little mouse paws tired but his heart full of hope. After days of searching, he finally arrived at the foot of a giant, ancient oak tree. Behind the tree, shimmering in the sunlight, was a beautiful, golden cheese. Marvin's eyes widened in awe. He cautiously approached the cheese, his heart pounding with excitement. With a swift, gentle motion, Marvin picked up the magical cheese. A soft, golden light enveloped him, and he was granted a single wish. Marvin thought hard about what he wanted most. He could have anything in the world, but he knew exactly what he wanted. "I wish for cheese for every mouse in the village," Marvin whispered, his eyes filled with kindness. The golden light faded, and Marvin found himself back at the foot of the ancient oak tree, the magical cheese now gone. But as Marvin returned to his village, he saw the most amazing sight. Every mouse had a piece of cheese, and they were all smiling and happily munching away. Marvin knew he had made the right choice. From that day forward, Marvin became the most loved mouse in the village, and he lived happily ever after, surrounded by his fellow mice and their delicious cheese. The end.